All right, I got the indication that we're ready to go. We're good? Great. Hi, my name is Chris Smith. I'm here to walk you through the archiving project video exports. You're a champion. Here we go. The way we're going to start doing this is that on the desktop, you can see there is a project called Archive Exports right here underneath the various external hard drives. So we're going to open that up. Double-clicking. How's your day been? Good? Great. Mine's been great too. So we want to make sure that this opens up properly. It'll prompt you for this. Just continue, but you should know that. Okay. Listen to that load. Great. All right, so what you should be greeted with is probably where the project was left when I was last working off of it. Basically, what we're going to be going off of is the sequence called Final Exports. As you can see, titled here. It's also under the Sequences tab, right here, Final Exports. This is the one that I've got set up to export a bunch of videos. Right now, I'm going off of the 1980s, so we're going to be going all the way up through the 2000s with the titling that I've created here in the timeline. So I'm just zooming in to show you kind of the multi-layer thing I've got going on at the beginning. This at the beginning is going to always remain consistent for all of the videos. If I highlight over top, you can see over here what we're looking at. The first layer is the top layer right here. You can see is the title of the two teams or what game we're at. In this case, we're at football, UCLA versus ASU, UCLA versus WSU, UCLA versus OSU, could be anything. The next layer is who is playing. In this case, it's going to be usually the UCLA marching or UCLA Bruin marching band, but there are going to be some in the more like I think 1990s or 2000s where it's probably going to be the pep band or is there another band that we could think of?
Drumline.
The drumline. So it would be the UCLA Bruin drumline or the UCLA Bruin pep band. So usually keeping UCLA Bruin consistent there. The third layer is the show. What are we seeing? Is it I go with halftime or pregame? If it's a special halftime, which is this is actually a good example, it's halftime space hyphen space and then band day or the famous Disco Sex show or Clarence Sawhill's retirement, for example. The fourth layer here is the date then. The format that I have for the date is we go month, day, comma, year, so we want to spell it all out. And all of this information should be gathered from the actual video files that we have in the browser.
Here endeth part 1.